So if you are coming to me and asking me, why would I use a Bloom Growth coach? I'd have to say there's a couple things that are really important to consider. Really realizing that you're ready to grow and that you're committed to the growth. And knowing that, like I did, I kind of got to this stage where I didn't know how to make that happen. I knew I kind of reached my abilities and kind of what I knew, and the tools that I kept grabbing for were the same old tools. And when I finally decided, if I got someone else that had a little bit different perspective than mine, you can kind of see, there's this great adage of saying that you can't read the label on the jar when you're inside the jar. And that was sort of how I felt, was bringing somebody in who had a system that could really help me see the things that I couldn't see, and also help me connect to my team in a way that I just wasn't able to really articulate, and didn't have that relationship and the tools there also to really bring that together. And so I think that's the key, is realizing that you're ready to grow. You have put together some people who are ready to grow with you and make that leap with you and charge forward, but you just don't have all the right tools in the toolbox. And that's what we're here to do. And I love doing that work. It's so rewarding to watch all of that come together, and then to see that owner step back and the light bulbs start to go off and go, oh my God, this is really gonna happen. Like we're really finally gonna make this thing go, and see that as an entrepreneur, we all sort of have that dream, that vision somewhere. We don't always articulate it. We don't always share it out loud because it's sort of weird sometimes to say it. But when they start to see that can go from this dream to a potential to a reality, man, that's exciting.